Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into those complicated corporate filings. Today we're looking at Innovex International, and let me tell you, their latest report has more twists than a pretzel. We will examine the ins and outs of their recent financial results and what it might mean for the future. Let's jump right into it. Innovex International hosted a conference call about their financial results for the past year that ended in December. They discussed how the company performed and what they expect moving forward. Think of it as a report card, but instead of grades, we are looking at dollars and cents. This call and the transcript contains important insight, so let's get into it. Now, let's zoom in a bit on those financials. While the specific numbers aren't directly in this report, it mentions a conference call discussing those results. Typically, these calls cover key metrics like revenue, which shows how much money the company brought in from sales, and net income, which is the profit left over after all expenses are paid. These are crucial indicators of a company's health. If revenues are up but profits are down, that could mean they're spending too much or facing pricing pressure. A conference call usually gives more color beyond the cold numbers of a financial statement, which is why it is being highlighted in this filing. The filing states that the information being furnished, including the transcript, isn't officially filed in the legal sense. This basically means that while they're sharing the information, it's not held to the same strict legal standards as some other documents. So if something in the transcript turns out to be slightly off, they have a little more wiggle room. It is more casual, more colloquial, less strict. The company included the full transcript of the conference call as an exhibit. An exhibit is like an appendix. It is extra information, and in this case, it contains the entire conversation that happened during the call. This transcript is valuable because it gives you the exact words of the executives as they discuss the company's performance. This can reveal a lot about their thought processes and strategies, and allows investors and analysts to pick up the nuances that may not be present in a regular financial report. Now let's try to put everything together and understand what's really going on. Innovex International, based in Humble, Texas, is sharing its recent financial performance through a conference call. While they're providing a good amount of information, the company is also making sure to protect itself from potential liability if some of it turns out not to be 100% accurate. The transcript of the call gives more insight into the financial performance of the company, with the executives able to give more details than a regular report. So, what can we take away from this? Well, based on this snapshot, Innovex seems to be proactively communicating with investors. The willingness to share a full transcript is a sign of openness. However, because the actual numbers aren't included here, we can't fully assess their financial health, and the liability disclaimer is a bit of a yellow flag. Looking ahead, one of the biggest opportunities for Innovex is to show consistent growth and profitability. In addition, they need to manage their risk carefully and make sure all their public statements are as accurate as possible to keep the trust of investors. In conclusion, Innovex International is navigating a complex landscape. They're sharing information but also being cautious, and that's how it is with every company. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings.